So guys, this video is going to be about unity and coherence. We're going to see how to join ideas and show relationships between those ideas, okay? As I said in previous videos, it's not natural when we have only sentences with periods and we say like, I like this and I like to eat hamburgers and I like this. We don't talk like that, and native speakers don't write like that. So we need to join ideas and show relationship between them. And in order to do that, we mainly show unity and coherence using conjunctions. Remember the fanboys, the coordinating conjunctions. We use transitional words or transition words. Okay, those are like the most common words that we use to show unity and coherence. So I'm going to give you an example. Remember that conjunctions are the fanboys, for, and, but, and transition words. We have many transition words. For example, is a transition word. For instance, therefore, however, nevertheless, on the other hand, on the one hand, right? Those are transition words, and they show the relationship between ideas. If I say an idea like, I readily go to the beach. However, I'm showing that this idea is in contrast with the second idea, right? I'm using transition words to make relationships, to show relationships, okay? So I'm going to write an example. This is really important when you are writing in each paragraph and among paragraphs. So I'm going to write an example for you to know that whenever you are writing, you need to join ideas. You need to have coherence in all your paper. It doesn't matter if it is only one paragraph or if it is a very long text, you need to have unity and coherence. So I'm going to use the example that we were working with last class about the online classes. So we can say that online classes have provided students with many opportunities. Okay, that is the thesis statement. Opportunities. Right? This is the thesis statement, the topic sentence. The topic sentence is that online classes have provided students with many opportunities. Now we need to start developing that idea. We need to start adding examples. We need to make relationships. So we can start saying like first, right? First what? First opportunity. Students, let me write it complete. Students have learned to use more tech more technological device. Okay, we can add there a comma. This is a complete sentence, so we can add a coordinating conjunctions. Okay, and what can we add there? Okay, students have learned to use more technological devices. And, okay, they are more connected to the word. It's time to wake up, guys. It's time to connect the word and connect more time through the internet. Right? So here we have an idea. I can write here a period through the internet. Use a transition word. Therefore, maybe we can use the case of, and they are more connected to the world through the internet. Therefore, that is a transition word. So I'm making a relationship. Based on these sentences, based on this idea, this is the result. Therefore, they are better prepared to work in technological areas. No, technological field. Okay, period. We can add additionally, okay, now we can stop there. Second, okay, we have here first. Now we're moving on to the second idea. What other opportunity have students had? Okay, second, students have had the chance to develop teamwork. And then we can use such as and organization. Okay, I'm going to stop here because I don't have more space. But of course you can continue with other opportunities. But the idea is for you to see how, by using conjunctions, by using transition words, you can give unity to a paragraph. Instead of having a list of sentences, we have a paragraph, right? It says, online classes have provided students with many opportunities. That is the thesis statement, the topic sentence, period. First, students have learned to use more technological devices, comma, and they are more connected to the world through the internet. Therefore, they are better prepared to work in technological fields, period. Second, students have had the chance to develop teamwork skills such as planning and organization. So as you can see, this is a paragraph. We are keeping short sentences. We have here one sentence. Online classes, subject, verb, have provided, complement, students with many opportunities, period. First, that is a transition word. Students, another subject, have learned, verb, and complement, more connected to the word through the internet, period. Therefore, transition word. Another sentence. Subject, they. Verb, are prepared with a modifier that better. Complement, to work in technological fields, period. Second transition word. Subject, students. Verb, have had. Complement, the chance to develop teamwork skills. And we used such as to provide examples of teamwork skills. So, for example, or such as planning and organization. If you see this is a paragraph, it is, it has unity and coherence. We are using conjunctions and transition words, and we keep the same pattern of using subject, verb, complement. Subject, verb, complement. Subject, verb, complement. That's how English works. And this sounds very nice, it sounds natural, and that is something that you can present to a native speaker and they would understand without any problem, okay? So that is basically what I wanted to talk about unity and coherence. Just remember, we have many transition words, we have conjunctions. Just have your ideas clear, organize your ideas in sentences, subject, verb, complements, and then join those ideas and show relationships between those ideas using these amazing words that we call conjunctions and transition words, okay? So let's stop here and continue in the next video. Bye-bye.